Hey guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. Your old buddy Tim. Headed back to Madison. Been busy this morning on listing appointments. And yes, I did pull off my tie. As soon as I'm done with clients, man, the tie comes off. And this is a real tie. You thought I wore clip-ons. No, sir. I am one of the very few who can tie a double Windsor and get it the exact perfect length. I am a tie-tying mofo is what I am. Hey, hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we are talking about open houses on the real estate Ride and Rant. I'm writing and ranting about open houses, and the reason that I'm ranting is I just had a client ask me if open houses were dead. And I said, "What do you mean, Mr. Client?" And he said that he was told by another realtor that open houses were dead, that no one was holding open houses anymore because open houses were a waste of time, and that his house would be marketed on the internet, on the interwebs. They would put him on, the Facebook and the Google and the Zillow, and basically buyers would flock to him because of their ads on these social media sites. So this particular company told him that open houses were dead. Now, here's my opinion. I do not agree that open houses are dead. I still believe that open houses are a vital part of selling a house. Now, here's why. I know that people go to the internet before they do anything else. They go search on the internet, and then they will either call an agent or they'll call a for sale by owner or whatever, and they'll look at the pictures, but they still want to see that house. And so, for that purpose, you have an agent actually bringing a potential buyer and bypassing the whole open house. So people do search on the internet. However, some people, a lot of people, still like to come to the house, boots on the ground, walk through, look at the carpet, look at the paint, look at the bathrooms, the yard. They like to come to an open house and look around. The other people that like to come to open houses are the neighbors. Every time I hold an open house, half the traffic, granted, are the neighbors who already live in that neighborhood. And that's why we call them the nosy neighbors. But guess what? Those nosy neighbors have friends and relatives that might be looking to live in that neighborhood. So they're out doing recon. They're like, the Army SEALs or the Navy SEALs, whatever. They're doing reconnaissance for a potential buyer. So for that reason, I think open houses are important. The other reason is I think it gives you, the home seller, a warm and fuzzy feeling just knowing that your realtor cares enough to spend a couple of hours on Sunday opening up the house and letting people come in to look. So, do I think open houses are dead? No, I don't. Do I think open houses sell houses? I think they help. I really do. I had a recent house that had been on the market with someone else for quite a while. We took it on as a listing, had an open house, and it sold. Boom. Someone came to the open house, said, "Hey, I have friends looking to move here. This would be a great house." Boom. Contract. Cashola. So, open houses are not dead. Open houses are a very useful part of the business. And if I list your house, hey, I'm going to have at least one open house, maybe more, if it's going to be on the market for a while. The other thing with open houses is you can actually showcase things that people aren't going to find online. For example, if there's some unique special feature of the house that just doesn't translate well to photo or video, people have the chance to come in. So that is my very long-winded answer to a very simple question. Do I think open houses are dead? I do not. I think open houses are still a very big part of selling homes, even in this internet age when people will go online, look at pictures and video. They still like to see the house, and open houses are a great way to do that. So there you go. Let me list your house and I will have an open house. Man, we'll have a party. There'll be cookies and maybe punch and cookies. I'll have those little candles that smell like cinnamon. Man, Those are great. So, hey, as always, if I can do anything for you when it comes to buying or selling a home, give me a call. I am your guy. My name is Tim Knox. You can find me on the web at timknox.com, or give me a call, 256-679-0704. And if anyone ever tells you that open houses are dead, you just look them right in the eye and you go, no, they're not.